What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. It's me, Jay, and today I traded Alibaba, right? I expected to take the week off. It's the last week of the year, had a good year, and I wanted to kind of relax. I'm actually going on vacation Wednesday, but the plan was to relax, so I didn't go too heavy on this trade, but I did take a little trade on Alibaba, okay? So Baba, if we look at, shorter time stuff, we had a pretty fat gap down. And Baba is one of my favorite long-term plays because if you look at their revenues compared to Amazon, they're actually, doing pretty damn well. And they're making a lot of money. Similar to Amazon. And Amazon is what, a $3,000 stock? And Baba is still only 200. And if Amazon never split, that thing would be into like the tens, 20,000s right now. So let's talk about this day trade on Baba, which is actually going to turn into a swing trade because I'm pretty happy with the move today, and I think we have some more upside to go. So we did come off a little drop. There was some bad news, so Baba gapped down, and that was a good opportunity, in my opinion, to buy the dip, okay? So I had a support level down here at 212, which was back from, looks like June, July-ish. And we actually came back and retested that on the gap down the other day. And we started bouncing off of that level. So this morning I actually got into some Baba calls and a call debit spread. The call debit spread is for a gap fill of right here. So from, when is that? Friday? Oh no, last week. Last week was a short week. So pretty much Thursday after hours into Monday. This thing gap down, or was that? Not too sure. This thing at the bottom is messing me up. It goes from Thursday to Monday. So when is Monday? Monday was yesterday. All right, so this was Thursday. Thursday after hours, news came out, something in China, I forget what the exact news was. Well, actually, let me just click right here, live news. Something about, the government coming after them. Yeah, here you go. Alibaba shares plunge about 8% and amid pressure from Chinese regulators. All right, so they think they have a little monopoly going over there for Alibaba, which is a little scary. But I think, look at Amazon, look at Facebook. They're going through lawsuits from the government too. And their stock is doing just fine. All right, so I took this as a little buy the dip situation. So what I did was actually buy the call debit spread, which means I bought the 240 calls. I went a little out of the money, but I gave it till January 15th. So I bought the 240 calls and then I sold the 245s. Why did I sell the 245s? Well, we could see that this is a gap from after hours. 245 is my target over the next 2 weeks. So I went ahead and did a call debit spread, and then I also bought some naked calls as well for the same expiration, January 15th. So if we go in here, up about $850 at the moment, and this is a fairly small position compared to what I normally do just because it's the end of the year. And I'll probably add to this on my long-term account. I have a separate one. But here's what I did. Bought the 230 calls, so I got about 5 of those, up about 14% on those. And then here's the vertical spread. Like I said, I bought the 240 calls, sold the 245s. And this was a good way to protect myself in case I don't get the move in my favor. I'm only paying $1.50 for the spread, right? And since it's $5 wide, the max profit is going to be around $3.45. So I'm risking about $1.50 to make $3.50, which is a very good trade in my opinion. So yeah, times that by 10, it's about $1,500 to make about $3,500 if Baba is above 245 by January 15th. All right. So that's my trade going into next year on Alibaba, which today it looks very good. If we look on a shorter term, 15-minute, maybe a 5-minute. 5 minutes a little too small. You want to go, you don't want to be zoned in on the 5-minute chart unless you're really scalping. So I like to look at 30-minute minimum. And yeah, I'll just set an alert. If we could break above this high, that would mean we would get that push into the gap, which this first gap fill is right here, up at 245. And then if we look at the daily chart, there's an even bigger one, looking for a bigger move up to 250. So I do like BABA still. I do think they will recover and shake off this bad news. And we'll just see how it develops. Something else before I get out of here is Amazon. Looking to get into Amazon. I wanted to wait until next week, but it looks like it's starting to break this wedge here on the daily chart. So when you get something that's been moving sideways for a while, you kind of just waiting for it to, start to break in one direction. And it's looking like it's starting to move to the upside. And we also have a little squeeze starting to set up on Amazon. So today's going to be real important. If we could break above, which it looks like we are, if we could break above, we just made new highs of the day. So this thing could pop going into the, last, what do we got, 3 hours left on the day. This thing we could, let's see if we could make any higher targets here. For Amazon, I got to go back to the daily chart then, So higher targets, next stop is going to be 33.50, which we're pretty much, it looks like we're going to be there in the next 5 minutes. And then my next target would be 34.70, and then new all-time highs, 35.50. I do want to get a spread on Amazon and go long on Amazon, because I think early 2021, this thing is just going to continue to rally. And I think we'll see Amazon like 3,700. Mark my words. Save this video. All right. And obviously that won't happen if this support starts to break, and then we break 31.50. That won't be too good, right? But today this is starting to break out on the daily chart. So this is signaling a big move coming for Amazon. We'll see if we get it. But I do think it's a good time to start going long on Amazon. All right, so that's my analysis and how I'm going into 2021, making some money here on BABA today. And I'm definitely gonna hold this, give it some more time, because I do think BABA is just starting to get its recovery, and I think we'll see 250 in the near future, maybe in the next week or two, or who knows, maybe at the end of this week. But that's my analysis here on this beautiful Tuesday. Yeah, we're coming to a year end. Hope you guys had a great 2020. If you want to make some money with me in 2021, I'm still running a crazy sale on my trade alerts, options course, and Discord chat. So like today, we made money on BABA. I sent out an alert this morning telling everyone that I'm getting in, why I'm getting in, and what I was buying at the exact time. So if you want that, it'll pay for itself in 2021. Link is down below, and yeah, it's like 50% off right now. Just trying to give back and help you guys have a profitable 2021, because I know this year might have been tough for most people. But yeah, that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you guys, maybe I might not make another video until next week, but till then, see you later. Happy New Year, and subscribe. Peace.